Mama, Papa, nanaduda ko kamo.
Kung sino pa ang puson siya pag ako absent sa busong gabi girls.
Wala.
Okay, saan number 11, Miss Rick, please?
Please communicate with us as soon as possible.
About number 12, Althea.
We will reply as soon as we hear from you.
Excuse that. Hello. Hello. Pag-ibig okay. Students, naka-receive ko information nga may tino and mag-ibig okay, students, i-dismiss ako early, pero kinaman yung kuminsaron ang cover ng Loda. Okay, let's go.
Just in the wake of the recent earthquake, misinformation has been circulating, causing unnecessary panic and confusion. One individual, Beck, has been identified as spreading false reports about the event. Beck called one of the teachers at ICCC and spread inaccurate information claiming an earthquake, which quickly spread across the school. We urge everyone to verify information before sharing it. Follow updates from reliable sources and support efforts to combat information. Huwag po agad maniniwala sa anumang kumakalat na balita. Ligtas ang may alam. Finally able to go home in my 3-bedroom condo at 1 Madison Place Luxury Residences, 8th floor, room 607.
Ay, Mr. Woman Girl, kilala ko lang daw, nag-chat mo na sa GC, tapos wala ka man lang tinubrahan. Pero ngayon, pasalo mo na lang sa akong tanan, ako na lang birthday. Kita pala namin yung issue sa grades, girl. Hindi ko sa ako, ayaw mo ko wala. Ngayon, kung nagsabat ka lang ako sa GC, kasi kung mo, wala ka nagabot sa point.
Check ko ba mo nga assignment, feeling ko perfecto akong score kay essay malang to, very basic. Wait. What? Zero? True.
As students in the digital age, we are part of an active community of learners who share and use digital materials. It's important for us to practice good netiquette, which means being polite and respectful in all our online interactions.
This includes acknowledging the contribution of others and making sure shared materials are used properly. We also need to understand and respect intellectual property rights.
In school, this means giving proper credit for others' work, knowing the legal aspects of using copyrighted materials, and creating original content that respects others' intellectual efforts.
By being socially, ethically, and legally responsible with technology, we can be a responsible digital citizen and contribute to our culture of integrity and respect in our learning.
This not only improves our learning experience but also supports the growth and innovation of the entire community.
Connect!